Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure Chrome is up to date. This prevents compatibility problems with extensions. Once done, choose a reliable blocker like uBlock Origin because it balances speed and privacy. Now open the Chrome Web Store and enter the exact extension name in the search box to avoid fake copies. Make sure you're signed into your Google account if you want settings synced across devices, then click the extension entry to prepare for installation. You'll click Add to Chrome and carefully review the permissions dialog. This is why you check the store entry. After installing, click the new icon in the toolbar and open the dashboard to enable recommended filter lists like Easy List and Easy Privacy. Make sure to turn on auto updates for filters so blocking stays current. If you want the same behavior on other machines, enable Chrome Sync for extensions and settings. Finally, learn the element picker for one-off ad removal. You should now verify blocking by visiting a few sites, including one that previously showed many ads, so you confirm effectiveness. Once satisfied, fine-tune by using the element picker or creating custom rules for persistent elements and export your filter list as a backup. If something breaks, disable other extensions like privacy or VPN plugins that can conflict, then restart Chrome and recheck filter updates. If problems persist, reset the blocker's settings and reapply only the necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.